Welcome to another interesting day on AssayTV.
Buckler, no sir. No, Mr. Prime Minister. I better you keep that honor there to yourself. You see me? Jano.
As you can see, this guy is very funny. I like his take when it comes to political and social responses. And as you can see, he's highlighting in the background a section of the North Coast Highway in St. Anne will be named in honor of Harry Belafonte. Now, it's just the way he narrates. I really have to let you hear what he's got to say. So check this out.
You mean the man lived till him at 96? 96. And when the man dead, you will honor the man? Buckler, no sir. Yo, from way back in the 50s, the man put Jamaica on the map, you know, by teaching the world some of Jamaica's folk songs. See? Yeah, one included Deo, Deo. Anyway, go in there and sing that song that today. Everybody sing along. You see me, I say, Buckler, you wait till the man dead at 96 for honor him. Me don't know when Nelson Mandela did do for Jamaica, you know. See? But I'm going to give him a park. See? I'm going to give him a highway in Jamaica before the man dead, you know. See? Bustamante, the so-called national hero. Me don't know him do for black people. We don't honor him, give him bomb back like what national hero before him dead. See? I don't know. Buckler. Wanna give Bob Marley? Wanna give Bob Marley? Eh? Blood clot. No. The man reached 96. See? The man lived so long. And now when the man dead at 96. You honor him? I better you keep that blood clot to yourself, you know, BroGad. Jano. Why you never do it when the man was alive? Look how long the man live. The man not there now to enjoy it or tell no thanks. See? The man not care right, you know. BroGad, I better you keep that to your blood clot self, you know. Well, can't go out for cream, man. Look how long, me can't stop talking about look how long the man alive. The man at 90s, the man was 96, see? And you wait till the day when the man dead. The day when the man dead, you know. For honor him, you know. Buckler, no sir.
On a serious note, he did hit some good points. So yeah, that's serious. That's something to consider. But this next video is crazy. Check out this driver, crazy. Back of the class, now have no subject. This guy is drunk, bro. Back of the car, you mean? Drunk check. This guy ain't taking no check from no police officer. Madness.
Be alright just to jump in the back? We're just doing some stop checks, that's all.
No.
Yeah.
Do you want me to jump in?
Just turn the engine off, jump it back of the car.
Turn the lights off and...
In the back of our car.
Oh, I'm going to say it didn't make sense. turn the lights off and put
In the back of our car.
Oh, I'm gonna say it didn't make sense.
Question: what would you do if you were laying cement down and someone or a dog or a cat or whatsoever left footprints all over your cement work? I mean, this must be really annoying for these guys. I would have lost my cool. You'd have to hide that dog for a week. Anyway, just joking. Check this out. You've heard of parkour, but this is RC Cars parkour. Maybe this will come in Fast and Furious 10. Check this out. Skills. Until next time, keep it locked, stay cool.